Merch by Amazon trending niche alert. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys two niches that I found that are starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, let's get into the first niche, or to the content of the video. So the first niche that I have for you is a Pride niche. So it's this one right here that says Pride Month Demon. The reason this is trending right now is because next month, June, is actually, where is it? Right here. It's LGBT Pride Month. So we can see here next month, June 1st, which is actually, I think, tomorrow in the next couple days. And if we take a look at the design, we're going to see this is what it looks like right here. Let me find a better one. So right here, this is what the design looks like. And basically, it's a play on words. You can see it's Pride Month, but it's Pride and then Demon Month. I didn't really understand why this was trending. I did a little research, and I believe that I found that it has something to do with some type of meme. I can't find where the tab is that I had open, but I bet, oh yeah, here it is. So I was just doing a little research right here, and it looks like it has something to do with some type of meme. A conservative activist posted this meme to Twitter on Friday, so maybe that has to do something with it. But if we take a look at this niche and we dig a little deeper, we're going to see that there's only 242 results. And if I click on the third page right here, we're going to see, you see how it says 97, 144. I'm on the third page here. This shows that there's still 242 results, because sometimes it will say like 242 results, but you click on the third page, it'll say like 3,000. So this shows that this niche is low in competition. Again, this is what the designs are looking like. But let me show you what these BSRs are. So here, if we take a look, we're going to see that this one was just uploaded May 28th. So that was 2 days ago. And it has a 449 BSR at 21 bucks. That's making like $6 a shirt right there. And you can see this is pretty easy to design. I mean, you just basically have to type it out and then just change the colors of the letters. Here is some other ones right here. Or I kind of showed you this one already, but it doesn't have to be rainbow. If we look at this one right here, we're going to see they're using just pink and 2 colors of red. And this was uploaded, actually, wow, last year. So I don't know. That's interesting. But this one right here was uploaded just a couple days ago. But the point I'm trying to make here is that it's low in competition, and it doesn't have to just be rainbow. You can use other colors. You can see that they're selling as well. Let's see if we can find some more ones that were recently uploaded. These ones actually seem to be from last year, but they're still selling well. So this is a niche that, like I always say, it's low in competition, it's trending, and it's selling basically. So those, it checks off all the boxes. That is what we want. So that is the first niche that I have for you. If we go to test to see if this is trademarked, so Pride Month Demon, we're going to see that nothing pops up. And let me just go back here real quick. Yeah, Pride Month Demon. Now if we go to Etsy and some of the other print-on-demand websites, we're going to see very low competition. So Pride Month Demon shirt, only 1,000 results. If we go to Redbubble, I actually found, this is the way that I found this niche because it is trending. So if we go Pride, we're going to see right here, where is it? Oh, whoops. Right here. So Pride Month Demon. You see how it has a little arrow, or this like little arrow pointing up like that? That means it's trending. And when we take a look at the competition, only 185 results. If you've been on Redbubble for a while, you know that if a niche that is trending is below 1,000, you know that's pretty damn good. So good low competition niche for Redbubble. Now I would probably focus on using a sticker instead of a t-shirt as a thumbnail. The best product that sells on Redbubble are the stickers. Second is the t-shirt, but that's the way you can kind of stand out here. Like I would do something like this. Just be that kind of differentiates yourself. Oh, here's another idea. You don't have to do rainbow. You can do trans colors as well. I think this is like Ally or something like that. So those are some other design options. And if we take a look at TeePublic, let's see what TeePublic has. Don't sleep on TeePublic. I know a lot of people think like, oh, TeePublic sucks. It's only $2 a royalty. Let's see here what I got. I got $100 for the month, so you know, not too bad. But here, this is what some of the designs are looking like. Again, we can see some of the other ways that you can design for this. That's kind of cool right there with the heart. So get creative, see what you can come up with. But that is the first niche that I have for you. And then the second niche that I have for you is this one right here that says it's a fishing niche. So after all these years of fishing, my wife is still my best catch. So this might be trending because of Father's Day that is coming up. I actually found this niche on Redbubble. Sometimes when I can't find anything that's trending on merch, I will jump over to Redbubble and just type in letters of the alphabet. And when I typed in the letter A, we're going to see this one popped up right here. After all these years of fishing, my wife is still my best catch. And so I clicked on it and I said, okay, let's see how much competition there is for this on Amazon. And when we type it into Amazon, we're going to see there's only 17 results. Now, I didn't see a whole bunch of recent designs that were just recently uploaded that are selling, but I did see a few, and there's very little competition for this niche. But right here, we're going to see this one. Now, this was uploaded like 3 years ago, so like I said, not recent, but we can see that it is selling. It doesn't have the best VSR, but again, this niche is selling and it's low in competition. I think I saw another one. Where was it? After all these years. Okay, so I'm not seeing too many that are selling, but again, low competition niche, and this does have some that are selling, so could be a good opportunity for us. If we go to Redbubble, we're going to see that the competition for this niche, this one right here, is only 299 results. If we take a look to see if this is trademarked on test, we're going to see that nothing pops up. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see the competition for this phrase is under 1,000, so that's my benchmark. Actually, 2,000 is my benchmark. But so again, another niche that is low in competition that is selling, so could be a good one for us. So those are the two niches that I have for you. If you're looking for designs or ways to find like clip art, I'd check out Creative Fabrica. I have an affiliate link in the description if you're interested. This is really good. For finding like fonts, graphics. You can just type in any type of niche and they got a whole bunch of cool stuff. They even have a whole POD section. They have AI. So if you're interested, check them out. Now, if you are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or even on Redbubble, I have a couple courses you might want to take a look at. I have them on Udemy. The links will be in the description. I'll also have them as a pinned comment, but this is the first one that I have right here. It's called Merch by Amazon for Beginners, a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It has 4.4 stars or reviews, or 15 ratings, almost 1,500 students. You can see it's created by me right here. Here are all the lectures or the course contents, like how to cross niche, how to niche down, how to scale your designs, how to find trending niches, steal my best evergreen niches, how to check for trademarks, lots of good stuff. Here you can read the reviews that people have left, and then I also have one for Redbubble as well. These courses are good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or Redbubble. Again, same thing, 4.7 stars, 21 ratings, 327 students. They're only like, I believe I set them for $10 or $9.99. I live in Mexico, so that's why it says MX right here. They charge in pesos. Again, you can take a look at the course content and also at the reviews. So if you're interested, check them out. Again, good for beginners or for people who are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. If you want to see my credentials on merch, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've done over 11,000 sales and made close to $40,000 in royalties. And for Redbubble, well, I just haven't pulled it up, but if we just go real quick, you'll just be able to see. Well, basically, I've done like $1,200 or $2,000 over the past 2 years. Check out my other videos. You can see my credentials. But that's going to be it for this video. Like I mentioned on yesterday's video, I'm trying to get back in the swing of things of getting more content up. I'm trying to get this YouTube channel monetized. I have the subscribers. I just need to get the watch time. I'm at like 1,500 hours of watch time. I need to get 2,500 more to get to 4,000. I'm thinking about maybe doing a live to kind of get more watch time, also help you guys out. If you're interested, comment below. I'll do a live for like half hour or an hour, and we just do like a mastermind together. You can ask me questions. I can answer those questions. I can show you how I do my research. We can just go over and just do some research together, searching for some maybe trending or niches with low competition that can get us some sales on Merch by Amazon and some of the other print-on-demand platforms. So if you're interested in that, let me know. I'll start a live maybe tomorrow or whenever is a good time, and we'll go from there. So comment below if you're interested. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to my channel. I do videos on a regular basis just talking about trending niches, low competition niches, niches that not too many people know about, to hopefully or to get us sales on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. So like I said, if you like this content, check it out. And if you're struggling to get sales, check out those courses. It's a good starting point to give you some good guidance. All right, so that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.